Join me as I dive deep into the heart of Vietnam to uncover the untold stories of Super Typhoon Yagi and the devastation it brought in 2024. Super Typhoon Yagi is one of the most devastating storms to hit Vietnam in 2024, leaving a trail of destruction and despair in its wake. The sheer force of this powerful typhoon has left communities shattered, and it's imperative that we shed light on the significance and urgency of this disaster. The challenges faced by communities in Vietnam due to the typhoon are immense. Entire towns have been reduced to rubble, with homes destroyed and infrastructure severely damaged. The humanitarian crisis that has unfolded is heart-wrenching, with thousands of people left without access to basic necessities like food, water, and shelter. The road to recovery will be long and arduous, but it's crucial that we acknowledge the scale of the disaster. The typhoon has also brought forth environmental concerns, with hazardous waste and debris littering the streets, posing a serious threat to the health and well-being of the affected populations. Furthermore, the economic impact of the disaster is still being assessed, but it's clear that the loss of livelihoods and businesses will have a lasting effect on the communities. The psychological toll of the disaster cannot be overstated, with survivors grappling with the trauma of losing their loved ones and their sense of security. Delving deeper into the stories of affected individuals, we find tales of resilience and courage in the face of unimaginable adversity. There's the story of Nguyen, a young mother who lost her home and her livelihood in the storm, but is determined to rebuild her life and provide for her family. We see the efforts of local authorities who are working tirelessly to restore basic services and infrastructure, despite being overwhelmed by the scale of the disaster. International aid organizations are also playing a vital role in providing relief and support to the affected communities, and their efforts are a testament to the power of human solidarity in the face of disaster. One such organization is the Red Cross, which has been working on the ground to provide emergency aid and shelter to those in need. Their teams have been distributing food, water, and medical supplies to the affected areas, and their efforts have been instrumental in saving countless lives. Another organization that has been making a significant impact is Doctors Without Borders, who have set up makeshift medical facilities to provide critical care to those injured in the disaster. The work of these organizations is a beacon of hope in the face of unimaginable tragedy. A group of local residents came together to form a community kitchen, providing hot meals to those who had lost their homes and livelihoods. This small act of kindness has brought the community together and is a testament to the human spirit's ability to persevere in the face of adversity. It's stories like these that remind us of the importance of community and the power of human connection in the face of disaster. As we reflect on the devastation wrought by Super Typhoon Yagi, it's clear that the road to recovery will be long and challenging. However, with the combined efforts of local authorities, international aid organizations, and the resilience of the Vietnamese people, there is hope for a brighter future. Thanks for watching. If you have any thoughts or comments about Super Typhoon Yagi, please leave them down below. Don't forget to subscribe for more content on climate disasters and their impact on communities around the world.